But the first audio, mommy, let me hear the first audio.
Let the first audio read. Picture. Maybe sending a reaction. I'm on. And me see a message and I make all my team say me. Yes, me a chance right next 1 second. Na time only make us a you know. I should have requested 1 minute to just talk to him because I even don't like the introduction you did. You didn't. This is not introduction. Lady Wayne and go for bow. Yes, say. I don't think. Therefore, I don't remember sending a many a good photo picture. Maybe sending a reaction. I'm on. And me see a message and I make all my team say me. Yes, me a chance right next 1 second. Na time only make us a you know. I should have requested 1 minute to just talk to him because I even don't like the introduction you did. You didn't. This is not introduction. Lady Wayne and go for bow. Yes, say. I don't think my name was even mentioned. I don't think so. Bomi dimpo. And I'm saying I free on now. Say only make us a you know. Now say me take you 1 second. I'm so. Because she no properly, and I'm introducing myself. Say me any parts messy na. Not for anything, Grana. I mean, me just say me didn't cry, but you know, back IBM, but at least, you know, just to have introduced myself properly. I'm hoping that one day I'll get a chance to meet him again. Anyways, Inti, that's a no. Me the name picture I'm going to be tracking. Me also me no old picture, but I'm replacing the name here, me but. And right, it's not my free one, and I'm a guy say I should have properly introduced myself to the president. This is one-time opportunity you get in a lifetime to sit next to the president of your country. And tonight I was me taking the proper opportunity to introduce myself because I think the introduction we are now, so they'll say, Madam Yi na Baha, the uncle for part of the party go for Baha, the more call around then. But I think it would have been nice to spend just a minute and properly introduce myself, which I don't think I'll ever get that opportunity again. Anyways, but send me my reaction to that.
Yo, me pacho say first one no. According to Serwaa, na fe na so na maybe mamo the full meaning of why she did this. According to Serwaa can one video no say live. Only president no were in the jet, meboa. And the stupid media picked it up and make it look say indeed it was or not any president in Kwa and a network jet anymore.
Wobiako University, or to me compare John Mama with a Kufano, or to me compare Japan with Kevin Taylor, and one so did Kevin Taylor. She'll be legacy or make you an abrabum. And Posani Panipa be our answer. Mimitia woman answer, but me a good. But Ghana for the Minansu Cassatiame, a solid chame. But I don't give a damn to them. That is why it's support in Japan. Because I don't give a damn to you, Kanye, hate me, you talking about me. I don't give a damn. I always sleep and think about my life. Move forward. Me solitary me my brabo. Me fa Ghana and kwasa some na mo tete Ghana. Mo de tia control no. Me fa mo. Listen and listen very clear. Me many Abraham Tian. Ghana for mo can some say nipa because mo say nipa what training, mo say nipa obobra, mo say nipa one mini life. And you people don't mean life. Mo social media so mo say Kenya Japan, mo say Kufado. You don't mean any life and you will not get life. Mo nya brabo papa bi amo. Ko mo chi nipa obobra. Mo chi nipa wo konanim. Enti wo chi Kenya Japan, you are nobody to me sitting here. Wo chi Kenya Japan, you are nobody to me. Who to John Mama now which the Akufado shoe and win your beer money because John Mama. I dear Akufado I am a Ghana. You cannot compare John Mama. Because of John Mama, you love Kevin Taylor. Because of NDC, you love Kevin Taylor. What did NDC do for Ghana? Tell me here. Because Kevin is talking for NDC to come power. Kevin is blasting Akufado. Kevin is blasting Japan. Any Kevin Taylor because sama NDC never wait my casa money take Japan. Because I NDC you know na bra Bobbian to second Japan. Eduma no say NDC for be Ghana. Mumu say Juma do said and this for na mu do machiri o ma bi Ghana mu enso Ghana sika de chi omuka including John Dramani mama Ibrahim mama nyame shira wo na watimi abi adwuma ate obra nim obra kasa wa mistake. I do understand the mistake of John mama. I do understand the mistake. Hey, I can't get a court case, but I have to address issues. John mama mistake. You can just listen to somebody, but you don't think to understand wisdom. Let me tell you, Nana Kufuor na Vindicated dinatamo. We're making legacies. What the woman can say, one of the Fred case by on one. What the woman can say, one of the asphalt road by on one. What the woman can say, one of Ghana national education card on one. We're making legacies, and it will still remain in Ghana. A good father, the woman can say, one of the 150 by on one. Now, Obeuna 150 after Biajuma, or Womoya. Mutio, Yentia, Yetas Uncle. Yentia, and Quasiafobi, and somebody do matama, no matter what some Quasiafon will grassy. One more some Quasiafon. But the second Vintella, and Nessa Quasiapano, or General Class, or Soria, or taking on Cavintella. Cavintella taking on a Kufuor, taking on Kajapon, taking on Baumia. What's the some more bra and my advice? She said the Baumian. One more bra and Kautimi baby be my Ghana. Ubibia we am Ghana no nyansa bia nim clutch Fauchimi so Fauchimi so ne kaje chasa Ghana for yamu bia fro yamu anya for ma mu go abrocha mu chimi mutio na mu abrocha na mu ko nyasa no ase ko abrocha na grass ho a na abrocha ableka de apoa wote Ghana na abrocha for enjoy. You do nothing for Ghana. You do nothing. O ko abrocha you do nothing for Ghana. Fuck. Mujama broche ni America sem no tonchen na mfa muchimi entra ho muchimi amfa nhahwe wa America muchimi amfa nhahwe. Even Vindicated himself as a journalist, he don't learn anything from America system. He just come on social media and in short no abedi di atem just like that. Move follow page, you know, move follow page. Who dey follow na call davo from no behwe me sao person kwa follow me say move follow page just like that. Yamu be betimi akanya nsa chenkofo bi oni na lim so onim nyansa ba onim so wajimie ha me se Ghana fo amu America mu social media so evangelist ada wonim nyansa se mu nyina me yi papa and say we sin chen daddy Fred sin chen me daddy Fred we a different citizen for Ghana. Daddy Fred no me daddy Fred is in charge. Daddy Fred the cranker say why a journalist. Kevin Taylor call himself journalist. He do nothing. Only vision be Ghana. To come what America, the one America, the Ghana for but now the dear Kufuor them. Now if you Kevin Taylor have a problem with Kufuor and Kenya Japan, who was the problem for Ghana system? Tell me. Who rule Ghana before Kufuor come? Who rule Ghana before MPP government come? Nonsense. Then you people say that you call yourself journalists and you want me to listen to you because you talk, because you can talk, because you can blog. I call you guys as bloggers. I don't call you guys as a journalist. I call you guys as a bloggers, and bloggers without facts, bloggers without even facts. Listen, and to try call to now call you Kevin Taylor. Sa court no kete chefri fetie me onsie nyansa obetima kobi obi betima siu no without any fact amore kasa somebody can see you. Court na Kevin Taylor koya abia mu say na nyansa ni wo social media ama usu osia no ma. Listen, we come with the clear fact. Abia mu say no say the guy have a common sense like the way sometimes he talk about or you know who said the assembly ba no atche no. What Jimmy yo? But muamuku social media, including Captain Smart, none of you learning anything. You just come, Captain Smart, I call them about Jimmy.